Hi. Many people ask me how to do the fresh garlic and ginger paste, how much quantity we have to use for both, and how to peel the garlic if it is a fresh. It is not easy to peel each and every one. So especially this pandemic time, we are not going too many times to grocery stores. So in the grocery stores, yes, we have in USA, every grocery stores have the ginger garlic paste in the jars and the shops, but we don't know how long they are, and especially in these days we are more concerned of the health, and we are more worrying about the what it is in there. So that's why it's better to make our own fresh garlic ginger paste. I'll show you briefly today. I'm making in my house. I thought that since many people ask me, I remember that I thought I want to show quickly how to do it. And I always use the fresh garlic. We get it in the Indian stores or any Kroger or all this HEB or any stores. We're getting this recently. Very good fresh garlic, very healthy, big ones also. So yeah, I just get this, and what I do with a knife, I cut on the top and I cut on the bottom. So we open all these, all the garlic, and I got like this garlics, right? But everyone has this cover, and it's like a shell, it's a big cover. So it's not that easy to peel it. So it takes time to each everyone to do it, but there is a technique. I'll show you how to do this. And then if you have any steel container or any jar that has the lid, and what you do, I always do like this. This works for me. I'll put all of them in this, and then put the lid, and then like this, 2, 3, like this, just make it like this, and then make it. Look at that. They're all separated. Everyone is separated. Look at that. Everyone is separated. Can you see? So I'll just put it like this. And then I'll separate them. If you do like this, you just go everything out. All the shells go out. So now you get all the complete without any shell garlic. Maybe sometimes there may be 1 or 2 there left, but you can take it out by hand. That's easy, right? So you get all the fresh ones. I get all the fresh ones now. Okay, now I get all the fresh garlic, right? So I also did the same thing. I always peel, ginger. Ginger easy to peel is, once you get the ginger, what I do is, I'll put it in the freezer. I wash it and I put it in the freezer. Once you put it freezer, maybe 2-3 hours, then when you put it under the tap or anything, if you take it out with that little peeler, it will come off very easily, all the ginger cover. So now I have the without any skin of the ginger and without any cover skin with the garlic. So how I do this is, I get 1 big cup and equal quantity. Whatever I took this one, the ginger and the garlic, equal quantity of these pieces, I'll put it, and then I'm gonna okay, I got the 2 cups of this. I'm using the same thing on two cups of garlic. There is one I have that with a shell little bit. I'll just take it out. It's easy one. And then what I do, okay, I already put the let me close this, sorry. Already put the 2 cups of ginger and 2 cups of the garlic. And then 1 cup of water. Okay, and then what I do, 1 tablespoon of salt, because salt will, if you keep in the regular refrigerator and if you put salt, it won't turn to the green color. Otherwise, ginger garlic paste will come to the green color. Salt will keep it good. It's not too liquid, it's not too thick also. We want like little nice consistency. So it's maybe you can just do one time. It's already done. Oh my God, this is so good. I did same equal quantity. If it is 1 cup, both take 1 cup. So I did it. Then how to freeze? What I do is I keep it this at least, in the small containers. I have a little plastic containers which I already did last month. So I just want to show you. So what I do, I'll put each one is this little plastic containers and then in the freezer. So whenever I cook my chicken curry or egg curry or shrimp curry, any curry, I'll just open this and I'll put each one time. I don't have to worry about anything, so I'll just put it in the small containers. I also use sometimes, many of my friends also use this ice cubes, big one. I have the big ice cubes one. I'll put all this paste. I'll put this paste on each container like this. Like this. Look at this. So each, I put all of them in the rest of them also. I'll just put it all of them in this and I'll put it in the freezer. So next time, whenever I cook, I just take one from this each cubicle and then use for the curries. So this is the best way to do the ginger garlic paste. So either this way or this way. I use both ways, whatever is convenient for you. Okay, so now you see how I did it, how to peel the garlic and how to do the garlic ginger paste. It's a very easy, it's a very convenient, and so don't buy in the grocery stores. Use fresh garlic ginger paste in your home. It's very easy and it's very healthy. That is more important nowadays, right? Thank you. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, please ask me.